My name is Trent Irby. I'm the Extension Soybean Specialist with Mississippi State University. Behind me is one of our on-farm variety trial locations for 2012. There's a total of 25 of these around the state. We have a total of 12 Group 4 Roundup Ready, 12 Group 5 Roundup Ready varieties at these locations. In addition to these, we also have a few Group 4 Liberty Link and Group 5 Liberty Link locations. One of the big questions with variety selection is tailoring it to the soil type and to the producer's needs. This is an excellent method that we can take the small plot research data that our variety testing program at Mississippi State does and select a group of proven varieties and put these limited number of proven varieties in an on-farm situation under the farmer's management, where we can tailor these to different soil types, different management practices, irrigated, non-irrigated, and see the outcome of yield performance at these locations.